This 87,000 1978 Lincoln Mark V isn't just a classic, it's a rolling mansion with a 460 V8 heartbeat that defined American luxury. What's up everyone? Subscribe to my channel because today we're taking a journey back to the golden age of American luxury, a time when cars weren't just transportation, they were statements of power, elegance, and prestige. And sitting before us is a true icon of that era, the 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V. This is not just a classic coupe. This is a symbol of an unforgettable generation, a machine built when luxury meant size, presence, comfort, and effortless cruising. With its massive proportions, unmistakable design, and legendary 460 cubic inch V8 engine, this Lincoln represents the final years of the great American personal luxury automobile. Finished in a stunning factory white paint, this Mark V immediately commands attention. The long hood stretches forward like a piece of automotive architecture, while the elegant body lines flow smoothly toward the rear, creating one of the most recognizable silhouettes of the late 1970s. Every curve, every chrome detail, and every design element tells a story of an era where manufacturers competed to create the ultimate luxury experience. At the front, the hidden headlights create a clean and sophisticated appearance. When closed, the front fascia looks smooth and elegant, but with the push of a switch, the headlights reveal themselves, adding drama and personality. The factory bumpers shine with classic American confidence, completing the bold appearance that made the Continental Mark series legendary. Adding even more style are the aluminum turbine-style wheels wrapped in classic white wall tires. These wheels perfectly match the Mark V's luxury character, combining traditional elegance with a futuristic design that was ahead of its time. The red pinstripe running along the body adds a subtle touch of contrast, while the white vinyl roof completes the premium look that defined Lincoln's flagship coupe. But the true heart of this luxury machine is hidden beneath the enormous hood. Powering this 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V is a legendary Ford 460i V8 engine. This massive big block engine delivers the kind of effortless torque that these luxury cars were famous for. It was never about aggressive racing, it was about smooth, powerful acceleration and the ability to glide across highways with complete confidence. The engine is paired with a C6 3-speed automatic transmission, one of Ford's most respected and durable transmissions. Designed for strength and reliability, this combination provides a smooth driving experience that matches the Mark V's luxury mission. Keeping this classic comfortable and easy to drive are factory features including power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, air conditioning, and factory suspension. Every system works together to deliver that famous Lincoln feeling, a quiet, relaxed ride where the driver and passengers feel completely separated from the outside world. Underneath, this Mark V receives the attention it deserves. The detailed underside reveals a vehicle that has been carefully maintained, featuring an undercoated fuel tank, new exhaust system, and factory components preserved in excellent condition. This attention to detail ensures that the beauty of this Lincoln isn't only visible from the outside, it continues underneath as well. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. The interior is a stunning red luxury cabin designed to feel more like a private lounge than a traditional automobile. The spacious lounge-style front bench seating provides incredible comfort, allowing passengers to relax during long-distance journeys. The walnut burl trim adds a sophisticated wood accent, surrounding occupants with the feeling of a classic luxury suite. The attention to detail continues throughout the cabin with an armrest, front and rear seat belts, power windows, and even a factory CB radio, a reminder of the technology and lifestyle of the late 1970s. The miles till empty fuel gauge adds another unique touch, showing how Lincoln focused on both luxury and convenience. Open the trunk and you'll find another example of the Mark V's practicality. The spare tire stored neatly inside, ready for the road ahead. The 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V was more than just a car. It represented confidence, success, and a time when American manufacturers built vehicles with incredible character. Every mile behind the wheel feels like traveling back to an era of luxury where comfort was the priority and style was never compromised. Today, examples like this are becoming increasingly special. Many Mark V's have disappeared over the decades, but beautifully preserved examples continue to attract collectors who appreciate their unique combination of size, elegance, and classic American engineering. With an asking price of $87,000, this particular Lincoln Continental Mark V stands as a premium example of one of the most recognizable luxury coupes ever produced. It represents the perfect balance of vintage design, powerful V8 performance, and collector-level presentation. The 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V is not just a classic car. It is a time capsule from an unforgettable chapter of automotive history, a machine that reminds us when luxury meant making a grand entrance, when engines were measured by cubic inches, and when every drive was an experience. This is the legend of the Lincoln Continental Mark V, a true American luxury masterpiece that continues to turn heads decades later.